Introducing the heart of every new Indian Chief, the all-new Thunderstroke 111. Honoring our past and powering our future, this engine was conceived and developed by Polaris Industries, a global leader in the power sports industry for nearly 60 years. The Thunderstroke 111 represents the first proprietary clean sheet Indian motorcycle engine in over 70 years. This engine was developed exclusively for and will only be available in the new Indian Chief motorcycle lineup. The Thunderstroke design is inspired by legendary Indian motorcycle engines of the past. Early on, Indian motorcycles set the pace in engineering and innovation, introducing the first commercially produced V-twin engine in 1906. Indian refined its engine technology continually for several decades, culminating with the legendary Power Plus V-twins of the 30s and 40s. View the Thunderstroke and classic Indian motorcycle engines side by side, and the family resemblance is immediately clear. The Thunderstroke 111 uses the same basic architecture as V-twins found in classic Indian motorcycles. It's an air and oil-cooled V-twin with beefy parallel pushrod tubes, left side air intake, and right side drive. The Thunderstroke also incorporates heritage-inspired design elements such as the angular fin valve covers, classic 2/3 neck-down cylinder bodies, and distinctive downward ported exhaust headers. Like the engines of the 30s and 40s, the Thunderstroke covers are tightly wrapped, so you can envision the rotating components within, and they're held in place with exposed industrial bosses. The Indian motorcycle design team integrated the engine, primary, and transmission into an efficient, optimized, unit-constructed powertrain. The number of engine components and seals is minimized, making the Thunderstroke 111 an efficient and compact power plant. Unit construction also simplifies maintenance. There's just one oil supply and one oil filter, making oil changes fast, easy, and less expensive. And high mileage riders will appreciate this. The recommended service interval is 5,000 miles between oil changes. The Thunderstroke 111 is more than just a visual and technical tribute to engines of the past. Early Indian motorcycles were powerful. They dominated the roads, racetracks, and velodromes. The Thunderstroke 111 renews that high-performance tradition. This 111 cubic inch engine produces a thunderous 119 foot-pounds of torque to both launch you away from stoplights and around traffic on the open road. To generate this impressive power, an engine needs a high-volume intake system, which the Thunderstroke 111 achieves through inventive engineering. The engine intake system and the frame were designed to work together, maximizing intake volume through utilizing the hollow cast aluminum frame. Drawing cool air through the frame, combined with the left side airbox, creates the air volume needed to generate always available and impressive power. The sequential multi-port fuel injection system works with a sophisticated engine control unit to provide ideal combustion no matter the conditions. 8 sensors feed the ECU data by taking over 400 measurements per second, and it ensures the fuel-air mixture is perfectly optimized. This ideal mixture enters and exits the cylinder through an oversized 2-valve system, ultimately flowing into the downward ported exhaust headers and tuned dual mufflers. With the Thunderstroke's unit construction, power is transferred seamlessly from the engine to the transmission by a direct drive connection between the engine crankshaft and the oversized clutch. The direct drive also reduces the need for scheduled maintenance. The 6-speed overdrive transmission features a straight-cut first gear for optimized initial power transfer. Gears 2 through 6 are helical cut to minimize unwanted sound. Torque is delivered to the rear wheel by a right-side belt drive designed for quiet, reliable, long-riding performance. Riders insist on a powerful, traditional V-twin exhaust note, and the Thunderstroke 111 delivers. Indian motorcycle acoustic engineers carefully studied what makes great sound. We examined how sound is influenced by the engine's V-angle, cylinder shape, valve design, firing order, and exhaust configuration. To achieve the most desirable sound and best performance, we created an engine with a 49-degree V asymmetric firing order between the front and rear cylinders, and 32 valves per cylinder. The exhaust flows through downward ported exhaust headers into a 2-in-1 pipe before splitting into dual exhaust mufflers. For months, we fine-tuned the contours and interfaces of the engine and exhaust to create a rich, distinctive thunderstroke rumble that a rider must feel to truly appreciate. The exhaust volume sounds perfect, and its powerful timbre and tone are absolutely unique to the Thunderstroke. Early in its history, Indian Motorcycle earned a reputation as a leader in quality and reliability. In the brand's first 40 years, this reliability was proven repeatedly on record-setting transcontinental distance runs by legendary racer Irwin Cannonball Baker. These highly publicized runs established Indian Motorcycle as the industry leader for durability and reliability. Throughout Thunderstroke 111 development, the new engine underwent extensive testing and validation to ensure it will deliver outstanding reliability to a new generation of Indian motorcycle riders. The new engine's durability was proven through a testing regimen that included intense vehicle dynamic system shaker test, high-intensity dynamometer lab testing, and many years' worth of real-world on-road testing. All told, the Thunderstroke 111 underwent over 2 million miles of testing and over 1.5 billion crankshaft revolutions before we deemed it ready for Indian motorcycle riders. Plus, we back every new Indian motorcycle with 5-year coverage that includes both a 1-year limited warranty and an extended service contract. We don't just say we believe in this new motorcycle. We're putting it in writing. As you can see, the Thunderstroke 111 is a truly unique engine that both honors the Indian motorcycle past and powers our future. Visit your local Indian motorcycle dealer or head to indianmotorcycle.com to check it out for yourself.